Hi guys, in this video, you are going to see how we can change the app icon size on the Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. So let's begin. If you wanted to change the size of the app icon, whether it's to make them bigger or smaller, this is what you need to do. First, open up your settings, scroll and select the option Home Screen. Under Home Screen, you should see an app size on home screen with a slider underneath it. So you have three options. You have small, medium, and large. So by default, the app icon size is set to medium. But if you wanted to make them bigger, you can just slide to the right side of the screen and you will notice that the app icons have increased in size on home screen and app screen. Now, if you want to make them smaller, just slide all the way to the left side and then again you can see these changes in the size of the app icons on the home screen and the app screen. So it's completely up to you to decide which of the three options you prefer to use on your Galaxy A37 5G or any other Samsung phone. So guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Peace.